Hi everyone. Today, we're making your truck's factory lights strobe. This is a fun and relatively easy modification. It can add some serious visibility and style to your ride. But remember, check your local laws before doing this. Strobing lights might not be legal everywhere. Okay, let's get started. First, understanding the legal stuff is key. Research your local regulations. Some areas restrict strobe lights to emergency vehicles only. You don't want a ticket. Next, we'll cover gathering your materials. You'll need a strobe controller. These are readily available online. Make sure it's compatible with your truck's electrical system. You'll also need some wire connectors, and a wire stripper. A multimeter is helpful for testing. Safety glasses are a must. Finally, grab some zip ties to keep things neat. Now, let's move on to installation. First, disconnect your battery. This prevents accidental shocks. Safety first. Locate the wires for the lights you want to strobe. Headlights and taillights are common choices. Use your multimeter to identify the positive and negative wires. Now, connect the strobe controller to your lights. The controller will have input and output wires. Connect the input wires to your truck's power source. Connect the output wires to your light's positive wires. The negative wires from your lights usually go straight to ground. Follow the strobe controller's instructions carefully. Wiring diagrams are usually included. Next, it's time for testing. Reconnect your battery. Turn on your lights. Activate the strobe controller. Make sure the lights are strobing correctly. If not, double-check your wiring. Ensure all connections are secure. Use your multimeter to check for voltage. Adjust the strobe controller settings to your liking. Many controllers have different strobe patterns and speeds. Finally, let's talk about cleaning up. Once you're happy with the strobing effect, secure all the wires. Use zip ties to keep them tidy. This prevents them from dangling and getting damaged. Make sure the strobe controller is mounted securely. You don't want it bouncing around. Double-check everything one last time. You're now done. You have strobing lights. Remember to prioritize safety throughout this process. If you're not comfortable working with electrical systems, seek professional help. An auto electrician can install the strobe lights for you. They can also ensure the wiring is done correctly and safely. Improper wiring can damage your truck's electrical system. It can also create a fire hazard. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to the channel for more truck modification videos. Let me know in the comments what other projects you'd like to see. See you in the next one.